coming to you from Gurgaon Cyber Hub, and it's a place which is usually has lots of illegally cars parked outside, and today the Joint Commissioner of Traffic is telling me because it's car-free day here in the city and they're trying it for the first time, the number of illegally car parks has been reduced to the minimum. In fact, they've only towed away all day today 60
cars in all the 4 corridors.
Okay, I just wanted to show you a picture from 6 o'clock traffic time, peak traffic time right there. That is the time when all the office cars, remember this is Millennium City, this is where a lot of companies have their headquarters. It still looks very, very crowded, those pictures that we have over there. But basically what the traffic police is saying is that today, because of car-free day, they had 30% less traffic. So we have the CEOs of the companies who've been involved in making Gurgaon car-free for the day right from the beginning. We'll be talking to them in just a bit. We have Mohit Thukral of Genpact. We also have Manas Fuloria, whose company Nagaro they've managed to do without cars altogether, and that's why they need to be congratulated about how this can be made into a model for the rest of the country or not. First, let's just go and see how the day was for Gurgaon doing away with cars.
The highlight on the morning of Gurgaon's first car-free Tuesday was Police Commissioner Navdeep Singh riding a bicycle on a magically empty roads in a city where mile-long jams are the norm. And this was rush hour. 4 major roads in the city, DLF Cyber City, Cyber Park area, Golf Course area and Electronic City, lined with offices, were today no parking zones. Though this did lead to jams on the connecting roads, the mood today was upbeat. Millennium City will lead the way in cutting down on air pollution.
To reduce congestion on the road, reduce pollution and reduce load on the infrastructure. So it's a win-win for all the stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders here? Government and people. So it's a win-win for both. So ultimately, if we can voluntarily move people to do it once a week, so it will be a great thing.
And the schools also took the lead in this initiative.
We've actually made concessions that today children who can't carpool can use our buses, and we'll accommodate in our buses just for today. And we've also created feeder buses which will go to the stations around, maybe go to our Vasant Vihar campus so that parents can find it easier to pick them up from there.
While the CEOs cycled, their employees hopped onto shuttle services.
In our office in Golf Course Road, we have about 2,500-3,000 employees, colleagues of mine. We've done a massive outreach program. Now it's voluntary, right? So I'll actually go to work now and see how many number of cars came less today to work.
You've got banners like these all over Gurgaon urging people to take, to carpool. Shuttle.com, one of those companies which is actually taking the lead. There's Ola, there are lots of other companies are now, especially for this day today, running special buses and special shuttle services. So what you see are customers here who've been caught up from several places and told that almost for 20 rupees, they'll be taken to their destination.
Superb. This is unbelievable. I mean, if this is what Gurgaon could become every day, it would be a paradise. We really think this is the culmination of the concept we've been trying to sell. It's brilliant.
The traffic is very high on the highway. It's always just a nightmare to come from highway to Gurgaon. It's better we use the metro or public transport so that the traffic gets reduced over the city roads and we can commute easily.
From Hyderabad on Thursdays to Gurgaon on Tuesdays, the car-free movement is spreading. The challenge, making this sustainable and providing genuine public transport alternatives.
Today the vehicles are much less than what it used to be otherwise. At least 20% reduction today. From car-free Tuesdays, we actually want to make it car-free every day.
In Gurgaon, I'm Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.
So that's the situation, that's how it went, and we have Bharti Arora with us. Would you say our first talking point really is how successful was it?
It was very successful. We are very happy about it. In all the 4 corridors, around 25 to 30% reduction in traffic.
We were showing a picture of Cyber Hub. This place. It looked really, really crowded even then.
Except this one stretch of 50 meters, which is a bottleneck because of engineering reasons. Except this one stretch, everywhere else, all the 4 corridors, traffic has been absolutely smooth.
as it's been smooth.
Yeah.
I just wanted to quickly check that with our audience. All of you who went, did you think it was a very good experiment?
Yes.
You really think so? I believe you walked to work, ma'am.
Yes.
How was that walk for you today?
It was very nice because we decided yesterday. And one more thing I wanted to add, not many people were aware about it actually. So maybe next time onwards there'll be
Much more publicity.
Yes.
Okay, even though we did a show about it last week as well. Yeah, go ahead.
So it was nice. It took us 50 minutes. And
did all your friends and family also?
I'm
You
not
also
sure
did?
about my, just with my husband we walked because we work together.
Okay.
So it was a nice experience.
Okay, and of course, one of the interesting things was that the traffic department involved various companies and CEOs, and we have two of those CEOs here with us, Mohit Thukral, and we also have Manas Fuloria. Now, Manas, I want to start with you. You all really went like gung-ho about this. You locked up your parking lot. Tell us what happened.
Well, we thought we should really support this great initiative of Bharti Arora ma'am, and we decided to really go car free in the true spirit of the word, and we decided we would not use cars at all. So everybody who came to office today, all 2,500 people, came either by bus or by cycle or by public transport or walked. So it was
Everybody did that.
Everybody.
And I just wanted to tell our viewers, So Happy is a traffic department with what Nagarro did. That's their software company which went completely without cars, setting the trend for that. Bharti ma'am, you wanted to give an award for how all companies should be working.
We had declared that Gurgaon Police is going to award the best corporate, who's going to the best show. So Nagarro, they've got 100% car free, and we are going to award them.
Okay, great. Go ahead and do that.
We didn't do it for this.
An initiative that is setting the trend. Now, Mohit Thukral, are you now getting competitive and saying Genpact is going to get the award next week?
I think we have to push the envelope more. I mean, we were down like 40% of our cars, but I think we'll have to do more.
Now, I just wanted to ask you that this is all the good initiative that's being done. Paris is doing it on Sunday. Gurgaon has, done it before. That set the precedent. What are some of the challenges, do you think?
Look, I think a few challenges, right? Really, how do you really drive a more integrated transport system, right? I know a lot of people who are here and outside would wonder, how do I get to work? Is there good buses, metro, rapid transport? I think you're putting it all together here in Gurgaon. I think we just have to integrate it better and, put some cycle tracks, because when you're talking to some of the people this morning, they said, wish we had a cycle track, right? So I think we have to just push the government, work with the government.
As two people, you and Mohit Fuloria, you both cycled to office today. What are some of the impractical things about cycling here?
I think the biggest challenge was you maneuver the traffic, right? But I think the biggest challenge was if there was a cycle track, you have your own path and you keep on going, right? You were in the middle of all the other traffic and you were riding your cycle. So I think that was the only challenge. Yeah. But otherwise, I think nothing beyond that.
You want to add to it some of the challenges that you saw?
Yeah, so I mean, safety is a big challenge. I mean, every time I cycle, I have to send an SMS to my wife that I reached. So safety is a big challenge. Cycle paths are definitely an issue. I think that we the people have sort of made a statement. We would request the administration to come meet us halfway and provide the buses that we need, the cycle tracks that we need, the space to walk.
Interesting thing that Mohit Fuloria told me, because Manas Fuloria told us, is that in Gurgaon, you ran 50 buses to accommodate all your employees, right? And you usually have 1,000 cars. So today, 1,000 cars less just from your company. What Gurgaon doesn't have is more than 100 buses.
Yeah, so Gurgaon probably needs 10 times as many buses as it has. And it's a scandal almost that we don't have those buses. So we have pretty much just 100 odd buses, which is far below what we need.
Okay, so Bharti ma'am, how are you going to get you've now told, just to tell our viewers as well, Millennium City is going to be car free every Tuesday, not just a one-off.
Every Tuesday we're going to be car free.
Okay, so how do we solve this thing of buses? Because what Manas Fuloria was telling me was that it's very expensive to even run for their company to run the 50 buses. So how are you going to make it possible?
See, for today we had special buses. We had around 400 buses for today, but it is already in the pipeline.
From here? Where?
From Gurgaon, we had special buses, around 400 buses running for these 4 corridors. And the transport department is already working on it. There are already plans, they have plans, and soon we are going to see more buses.